Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a new type of video. We are going to use Japanese anime to have you guess Japanese words. We are going to start with quite easy basic words and we will gradually use more difficult words. We will have 5 words in total. Each word is comprised in one full sentence. We will play more than one sentence each time to increase the difficulty. This is an incredibly good exercise because it will help you improve your understanding skills. You will have the chance to hear those words 3 times in 3 different anime. You can pause the video and rewind it and listen to the anime as many times as you want. We will give you the answer by adding subtitles and the meaning of the word after you have listened to the 3 anime. Also, for copyright reasons, we haven't used the actual footage. We have only used the audio of the anime. We will put the logo of the animes so you will know which anime this extract is from. I am super excited about this new type of video. Let's go with the first word.
そしてその宿敵に対して初めて行動に出たのが私だ。それに残念だが今さら状況を打開しようとも無理だ。
私。僕。俺。
かすみお姉ちゃん、自分で行きなよ。私、今日はちょっと。そう。
Could you guess the word? It was Watashi. Watashi means I or me. Let's listen to the clips one more time.
そしてその宿敵に対して初めて行動に出たのが私だ。それに残念だが今さら状況を打開しようとも無理だ。
私。僕。俺。
かすみお姉ちゃん、自分で行きなよ。私、今日はちょっと。そう。
In the last extract with Ranma Nibun no Ichi, Akane pronounced Watashi more into something like Atashi, which is a very feminine way to say Watashi. This is not used by men. Okay, this time we are going to increase the difficulty a little bit.
どうなるんじゃないよ。足は今軽く触っただけさね。
すごい音がしたぞ。
手足に痛みが来てるんだね。
人気も出そうだしすごい個性でもあるけど、それに伴う町への被害も考えると割と限定的な活用になっていくか。脳の機能を低下させ、虚偽を述べたり秘密を守ることが不可能となる。すごい威力です。玉代様。
Could you guess the word? This time it was the adjective Sugoi. Sugoi means fantastic, incredible. It's an adjective that is used a lot to emphasize something. Like when I say a sentence such as hito ga sugoi, it could mean that there are many people. But when I say kare wa sugoi, it could also mean that this guy is incredible. Let's listen to the clips one more time.
どうなるんじゃないよ。足は今軽く触っただけさね。
すごい音がしたぞ。
手足に痛みが来てるんだね。
人気も出そうだしすごい個性でもあるけど、それに伴う町への被害も考えると割と限定的な活用になっていくか。脳の機能を低下させ、虚偽を述べたり秘密を守ることが不可能となる。すごい威力です。玉代様。
Let's go with the third word now.
大丈夫。逃げよう。みんなで一緒に。
どうやって私たち子供だけであんな化け物から。い
い時代になったものだな。女も子供も宇治のように湧いている。素晴らしい。
嘘だ。ラブなんかいないぞ。
土曜の夜は子供を作るっちゃ。もう今度こそ絶好よ。
Could you guess what it was? It was the word Kodomo. Kodomo means child or children. Let's listen to the clips one more time.
大丈夫。逃げよう。みんなで一緒に。
どうやって私たち子供だけであんな化け物から。
いい時代になったものだな。女も子供も宇治のように湧いている。素晴らしい。
嘘だ、ラブなんかいないぞ。
土曜の夜は子供を作るっちゃ。もう今度こそ絶好よ。
Let's go with the fourth word now.
飛んでるじゃない。
やだよ、友達に聞かれたらどうするんだ。
でもイチャついてるって感じがいいんだよね。隣のクラスの神崎美希、よろしくね。友達のあやちゃん、紹介しなくていいよ。本物みたい。
本物じゃないのか。別の場所でも見かけたと友達が写真をアップしていた。
Could you guess it? It was the word tomodachi. Tomodachi means friend. Let's listen to the clips one more time.
飛んでるじゃない。
やだよ、友達に聞かれたらどうするんだ。
でもイチャついてるって感じがいいんだよね。隣のクラスの神崎美希、よろしくね。友達のあやちゃん、紹介しなくていいよ。本物みたい。
本物じゃないのか。別の場所でも見かけたと友達が写真をアップしていた。
Alright, we are reaching the final word now, and this is going to be the most difficult word in this video.
しょうがないって、相手全国候補だったらしいじゃん。
ああ、腹減った。
じゃあダメじゃん。私バカだからね。遊んでもらうには何かあげなきゃダメなの。
桜木ってバスケできんの？
でもなんか面白そうじゃん。行ってみよう。
Could you guess it? Actually, I lied at the beginning of the video because I said we will give you the answer, but not for the fifth word. We want you to tell us what word it is in the comment. If we have enough good answers in the comment, we will give away the answer in the next video of this series. If you think you know what the word is, please write in the comment. This is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumb up. Consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. You can also share this video as much as you want. This will be very helpful. It will help us getting more views and it will help this channel grow. Thank you for having joined us on this adventure and we will see you in the next video. Sayonara.